Have you ever wondered why the truly wealthy often seem so ordinary? 90% of the ultra-wealthy intentionally hide their wealth from the public eye. Why? Because discretion is their superpower. What they keep hidden often defines their success. These secrets makes them more powerful and richer. We're diving into the hidden world of the wealthy. I'll reveal in each point how you can apply these secrets to build your own empire. So subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Income streams. Did you know most millionaires have at least 7 streams of income? But they don't go around telling everyone. Rich people rarely flaunt all their income streams, and there's a reason for it. They understand the power of diversification and quietly build multiple avenues of earning: investments, real estate, royalties, or strategic partnerships. Contrast this with people who depend solely on a 9-to-5 job. Talking about income streams could lead to unwanted competition or people trying to take advantage of you. They know real success isn't about showing off, it's about securing your future. Stop revealing your income, start multiplying it. Number 2. Business strategies. Rich people rarely broadcast their business strategies. Why? Because the real game is played behind closed doors. They understand that sharing too much invites competition and dilutes their edge. As Peter Thiel writes in 0 to 1, every great business is built around a secret that's hidden from the outside. Most people fail because they either blindly imitate others or overshare their plans before execution. They talk big but lack the follow-through, often losing momentum before they even start. Imagine announcing your startup idea to friends who then criticize or copy it. The result? Distraction, self-doubt, or lost opportunities. Instead of sharing every detail, focus on mastering your craft. Silence builds empires. Noise builds expectations. Number 3. Financial failures. Dwelling on financial failures or letting them paralyze their decisions. When someone faces a loss, they either give up entirely or share it publicly, inviting criticism that adds to their fear of trying again. For example, someone who loses money in the stock market might declare, "Investing is a scam," rather than reflecting on what went wrong. Dwelling on failures can shake investor confidence and damage your reputation. Atomic Habits by James Clear reminds us, success is the product of daily habits, not once-in-a-lifetime transformations. Wealthy individuals know this. They don't waste energy justifying failures. They use them to fuel their comeback. Keep your setbacks private and let your comeback make the noise. Number 4. Personal relationships. Rich people rarely parade their personal relationships in public. Sharing every argument, vacation, or celebration often invites unnecessary opinions, envy, or even exploitation. This oversharing can lead to broken trust or relationships strained by external pressures. Imagine someone posting about a business deal celebrated with a friend, only for competitors to capitalize on that information. As The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman emphasizes, true connections thrive in authenticity, not performance. By keeping their relationships sacred, the wealthy protect their peace and focus. Remember, wealth is built not just with money, but with loyal people by your side. What's sacred deserves to stay sacred. Number 5. Their true net worth. Rich people rarely reveal their true net worth because it's not just a number. It's a strategy. Publicly flaunting wealth invites unnecessary scrutiny, envy, and even predators seeking a piece of their success. Most people make the mistake of oversharing their earnings and wealth, often driven by the need for validation. Posting about big purchases or windfalls on social media might feel good momentarily, but it can attract freeloaders, jealousy, or even fraud. Worse, it can trick them into spending more just to keep up appearances. Measure wealth by assets, not appearance. Stop seeking validation. Let your investments speak louder than your possessions. Hidden wealth builds empires. Visible wealth builds egos. Number 6. Daily habits. As James Clear writes in Atomic Habits, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Rich people's daily habits aren't flashy. They're deliberate, disciplined, and often invisible. For the wealthy, systems and routines compound results over time, creating a life of abundance while others are busy chasing short-term gratification. People make the mistake of ignoring daily discipline, wasting time on distractions like endless scrolling or procrastinating important tasks. Success is hidden in your routine. Build habits that serve your future, stay consistent, and let the results speak for themselves. Quiet effort today builds wealth tomorrow. Number 7. Long-term plans. Rich rarely reveal their long-term plans because they understand the value of stealth and focus. Elon Musk didn't reveal Tesla's entire roadmap on day one. He let his results unfold gradually. Sharing big goals prematurely often invites skepticism, distractions, or even sabotage. Instead, they quietly strategize, adapt, and execute with precision, ensuring their actions speak louder than words. Many people make the mistake of living without a clear long-term plan, focusing solely on short-term gratification. They chase trends, overspend, or hop between goals without direction, leading to wasted time and resources. Stop oversharing your dreams, protect and work on them in silence. Commit to long-term planning by setting financial, career, and personal growth goals. Number 8. Free time. Rich people don't flaunt their free time because they treat it as a precious resource. To them, downtime isn't about mindless entertainment. It's an opportunity to recharge, learn, or strategize. The wealthy often pursue understated hobbies like gardening, reading, or hiking. They also use their free time to align with their long-term goals, ensuring that even their leisure serves a purpose. Guard your free time fiercely. Dedicate it to reading, planning, exercising, or engaging in hobbies that energize you. Use it to create, not consume. When free time is intentional, it stops being wasted. It becomes an investment in your future. Number 9. Family wealth. Rich people rarely flaunt their family wealth because they understand that legacy is not about showing off. It's about preserving and growing it responsibly. They instill financial discipline in their heirs, emphasizing values like hard work, respect for money, and the importance of contribution. People either flaunt family wealth or fail to plan for its future, leading to entitlement or financial mismanagement. The rich teach their children financial independence rather than flaunting generational wealth. Bill Gates' children receive a fraction of his fortune. He believes in empowering them to create their own paths. Keep family wealth private and focus on teaching the next generation about saving, investing, and entrepreneurship. Number 10. Charity and philanthropy. Rich people often keep their charity and philanthropy efforts private because they understand that true giving comes from a place of humility, not self-promotion. They believe in making an impact without expecting praise or recognition. Oversharing about donations, for instance, can make giving feel transactional rather than transformational. People misunderstand charity, viewing it as something they do when they have extra money, and often they flaunt it to gain social approval. Focus on the impact of your giving, not the recognition. Whether it's through time, money, or resources, aim for long-term, meaningful change. Real philanthropy is not about what's shown, but what's left behind. When you give for the right reasons, you not only elevate others, but also elevate yourself. The secrets of the wealthy aren't about hiding. They're about living wisely. I'm passionate about transforming lives through knowledge. If you found these insights valuable, hit the like button, subscribe for more life-changing lessons, and share this video with someone who dreams of building wealth. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us today. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.